guys, good morning, afternoon, and night, whatever time you're watching. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing my updated everyday makeup routine or slash tutorial. Ito yung pinaka-updated version na ginagawa ko going to school because this is a bit heavy for school. Maybe going for errands lang, like going to the mall, or during weekends when I'm going out with my family. This is what I usually do. So enough with the blabbering and let's just start. So yeah, nilagay lang ako ng velcro here kasi marami akong baby hair here. This is really quick and really simple to do and very affordable. Mahanap nito sa tabi-tabi. Madali nyo lang siya hanapin. The first product that I am using, of course, this Iwhite Aqua Moisturizer. Ito yung favorite ko and ever since nag-start ako nag-makeup, ito yung una kong moisturizer na ginamit. Like, until now, yun pa rin yung ginagamit ko. So, ang dami ko na namang dinadaldal. Up next na nilalagay ko sa face is a primer. The same primer that I used, matagal ko na siyang ginagamit and I don't like switching a lot of products kasi once it worked for me and nagustuhan ko, like tuloy-tuloy ko na siyang ginagamit, hindi na ako nagpapalit. So this is the QuickFX No Shine Mattifier. Actually, nakakailang tube na ako nito and yung moisturizer ko, kaya go try this out. Up next for my BB cream kasi I don't usually use foundation talaga. Kasi I'm really not a fan of foundation. Siguro pagka may events lang talaga or may pupuntahan ako na kailangan plakadong-plakado. Kaya yun, I go for a lighter one, which is this Iwhite BB Holic Everyday BB Cream in the shade Light. This is what I use all the time. And then I just use my fingers to blend it. Kasi ito yung ginagawa ko everyday. And yeah, pag minsan tinatamad ka ng gumamit ng mga sponge and brushes and all, I'm blending it with my fingers. Don't judge me. What I really love about this product is that super creamy niya. Hindi siya yung parang matte finish or what. It's dewy. That's why I love it. Kasi I have dry skin. For my concealer, the usual concealer, Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. This is the shade 20 Sand Sable. Believe it or not, I will be honest, fingers pa rin, but not in swiping motion. Yeah, mas maganda yung parang finish niya pag tapping motions yung ginawa mo. The next product that I will be using is a mousse blush or cream blush. Kasi, I don't know guys, pero sa akin, mabilis matanggal yung mga blush sa akin. If powder blush lang, like after ilang hours, mawawala na siya sa cheeks ko and magiging maputla na yung look ko. That's why I put cream blush or parang mousse blush and then papatungan ko siya to set it with a powder blush. So, ang ginagamit ko, recent na ginagamit ko is itong Pepper Mousse by LMS Cosmetics. Simula nang pinadala nila to sa akin, I fell in love with this product. They have 4 shades. Insert ko na lang yung shades na available sa kanila. So, ayan. Ang pinaka-favorite shade ko sa kanila, itong Pruella. So, I will just put it on my cheeks. Onti lang because a little goes a long way, I swear. So, ayan, ganyan lang naman kaunti yung ilalagay ko sa aking cheeks kasi tignan nyo kung gaano siya ka-pigmented. Huwag kayong dyan kung parang mukha akong nasampal and all kasi matutone daw din naman siya pag nilagyan natin siya ng powder. Lalagyan ko rin dito sa parang bridge ng nose ko para may parang sun-kissed effect. powder, I am using this Fashion 21 Two-Way Cake Powder with Papaya Extract SPF 35+. This is my favorite. This is my go-to powder at the moment. Aside from the Nichido na ginagamit ko before, lagi kong ginagamit dati. Ito yung pinaka-go-to ko right now kasi ang ganda ng coverage niya. Okay, hindi na ako dadaldal, papakita ko na sa inyo. As you can see, I already hit the pan. By the way, this is the shade 2. Number 2 yung shade niya. And sobrang gusto ko siya kasi even though hindi ako ma-foundation type of girl, para pa rin akong naka-foundation kahit na nag-BB cream lang naman ako kanina because of this powder. And super mattifying, and hindi siya yung mattifying like super drying na ang pangit tignan sa skin kasi may mga ganong kinds of powder eh. Ito yung tipong yung matte pero hindi siya yung parang super matte na, you know what I mean? Basta yun, sobrang ganda niya sa skin and ang tagal niya and yung oil control niya kahit na nagpawis na ako and all. I love it. On to our next product is this Careline Best Brow Liner Better Than Basic in the shade Taupe. Ito, nakakailang ganito na ako and yeah, ito yung ginagamit ko sa brows ko kasi very affordable and maganda siya for everyday talaga. Like if you wanna achieve that bushy brows, ganun. I love it. So, I'm done with my brows. Ganun lang kasimple. Hindi naman ako plakado everyday mag-brows. For contour naman, I will be using this BB Pro Cheek Set. Ito talaga yung go-to ko. As you can see naman talagang I hit the pan yung contour niya. Kasi I like this one. Kasi neutral siya. Hindi siya super warm. Hindi rin siya super cool. Like, nasa neutral undertone yung contour niya, which is I love. Super worth it neto. Ang ganda rin ng blush niya. And yung highlight niya, hindi ko siya masasabi na very blinding, but subtle lang yung effect. And yeah, by the way, itong brush nga pala na ginagamit ko, this is from LMS Cosmetics. They have a set of brushes, 10 pieces na ganito, para siyang unicorn brushes. They're so cute. Available siya sa LMS Cosmetics. Go check them out. I will just link their account down in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Ang ganda ng mga products nila. Konting dab lang dun sa product. Then I will stop the excess kasi yun lang yung problem dito. Medyo powdery siya, pero I don't mind. Subtle lang naman yung contour na ginagawa ko. And here's sa forehead. And sa jawline. Ito na yung gagamitin kong contour shade sa aking nose. Kasi hindi ako biniyayaan ng mathouse na ilong. Idaan mo na lang sa contour. Nidadab ko lang dun sa highlight. And then ilalagay ko siya sa bridge ng nose ko. For blush naman, ito yung ginagamit ko. Our eyeshadow, I will still be using the same kung ano yung ginamit ko pang contour ng aking cheeks and nose. Malalagay lang ako ng onti dito sa eyes para magkaroon din siya ng parang shadow effect. Mas mabuhay pa yung eyes natin. Now, on to my highlighter. My go-to highlighter as of the moment is itong Vice Cosmetics in the shade Shimmering. Gusto ko tong shimmering na to kasi nagbe-blend siya dun sa color ng blush kasi medyo meron siyang pinkish undertone, which is I love kasi nagbe-blend nga siya dun sa blush. So, pag nilagay mo siya sa cheeks mo, lalagay ko lang muna siya here, onti sa tip ng nose ko, inner corners ng eyes, para mag-pop yung eyes. Gamit naman ako ng itong fan brush. Then, tap ni excess kasi medyo powdery rin siya. Lalagay ko lang siya here. And makikita niyo yung effect. Like, nagbe-blend siya ng maganda dun sa blush mo. See, ito yung gusto ko. Kasi parang yung pagka gumamit ka ng, for example, medyo makapal kasi talaga ako maglagay ng blush and I like it that way para mas mag-stay siya ng longer. So yeah, pagka kasi gumamit ako ng gold highlighter sometimes, ayoko yung parang alam mo yun, may two different colors na hindi talaga nag-blend together. That's why kumuha ako talaga ng something pinkish undertone with this one. Medyo may pagka-pinkish na peachy yung tone niya. And then I'm slowly bringing it up here to the high points of my face. Then here on my cupid's bow and on my chin. Also here on my forehead. So yan, nakikita niyo yung effect. Parang nagbe-blend lang siya dun sa blush mo. Hindi siya masyadong, basta parang lock in siya together and it's really nice. For my mascara, I will be using my favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Sobrang favorite ko to, guys. As in. Sobrang nice niya. Nakikita niyo naman yung difference yung nagagawa ng mascara na to sa mukha ko, diba? This is the one with mascara and this is without mascara. Ito yung parang recent na lagi kong ginagamit sa aking lips. This is the Vice Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Siya full swipe sa aking lips. Gusto ko siya yung parang may ombre effect sa lips ko. So parang ganito ko lang siya nilalagay. Parang lip tint ko lang siya kung ilagay. Ayan. And then, i-blend ko siya. I-blend ko siya using my fingertip. Sobrang pigmented and sobrang lightweight sa lips. I am using this Nichido Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Ito, affordable lang din to. And, maganda siya gamitin for everyday. So, yeah. That is it for my updated everyday makeup routine. Marami rin kasing nag-ask for a makeup tutorial kung ano yung usual na ginagawa ko everyday. And yeah, this is it. Ayan yung finished look. Actually, alis kami ngayon. Kaya, hindi rin masasayang itong makeup ito. It's super simple and nang ginamit kong product is very affordable. Madali nyo lang siyang hanapin sa Watson, sa SM. And I hope you learned something from me and sana nyo nagustuhan nyo rin itong look nito. And by the way guys, I have a good news sa inyo. Finally, monetized na yung aking channel. That's why I just want to thank everyone who is there for me since day one, watching my videos and supporting me. Thank you so much. Hindi ko mararating yung point na to kung hindi dahil sa inyo. So thank you so much sa mga sumusuport dyan. Kung may makikita kayong ads, huwag nyo skip yan. So yeah, yun lang. I hope you enjoyed this video somehow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!